Hi Monica, I've been assigned to take care of the procurement process for our fixed assets. However, I am not familiar with the details of the procurement process. Could you explain the process to me?
Hi, Kevin. Of course, I'd be happy to. The procurement cycle is divided into different process steps. We start with the demand determination. In this step, the responsible department manually reports a material requirement to purchase via a purchase order. Then we continue with the source supply determination. The system supports the buyer responsible for determining possible sources of supply. The source of supply can be determined, for example, by creating queries and subsequently entering the quotations. The purchaser can also access purchase orders and conditions that already exist in the system. The next step is to select suppliers. A price comparison of the various offers facilitates the selection of suppliers. Rejection letters can also be sent automatically. The procurement cycle continues with purchase order handling. If no material master record exists, the purchaser creates a purchase order with the appropriate account assignment category. The system then provides the necessary data entry process. Possible account assignment categories are, for example, Asset A, Sales Order C, Cost Center K, Network N, Project P. The following step is purchase order monitoring. In this step, purchasers monitor the processing status of the purchase order. For example, they can determine whether the goods or invoice have been received. If this is not the case, dunning processes can also be initiated via the system. At goods receipt, the system compares the goods receipt quantity with the purchase order quantity. This is followed by an invoice verification step in which the vendor invoices are checked to ensure the accounting and content are correct. In the last step of the procurement cycle, payment processing takes place. The vendor payment is usually made in financial accounting.